Do you know you're not allowed to drink while you're on probation? No, I mean, it's not a mistake if these were choices that you were making. So why are you making these choices? Because your actions are saying you want to go to prison or you're going to prison and you're looking to going up to prison for up to 20 years. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 008773 State versus John Anthony Ochoa.
Ready, Judge.
Could I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Warren Wolf, John Ochoa.
Good.
All right, are you Mr. Ochoa?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney, and did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Are you the same John Anthony Ochoa who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 008773 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on October 21st, 2024 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 15th day of November 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, John Anthony Ochoa, did then and there consume alcoholic beverages in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
Sure.
State will waive the remaining.
No
Any
objection.
objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to deny state's motion, alter and amend to implement GPS work release and intensive outpatient treatment.
All right, and what's happening with the new number 1 case?
That is out of county, Judge.
Okay,
It's pending and he needs to deal with that.
all right.
If you grant him continued supervision, the jail will notify Wilson County and get him. If they don't, I told them if they release him and Wilson County doesn't get him within the time frame, that he'll need to deal with that situation, get an attorney and deal with that case.
All right, state you may be
Thank you,
excused.
Judge.
Probation. What is probation's recommendation on Ochoa?
That is the recommendation that that are currently held in the alternative for instance of outpatient.
All right, do you know you're not allowed to drink while you're on probation?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why are you doing it?
It was just my mistake.
No, I mean, it's not a mistake if these were choices that you were making. So why are you making these choices? I mean, do you want to go to prison?
No, ma'am.
Then you need to start acting as though you don't want to go to prison, because your actions are saying you want to go to prison, or either you want somebody not to catch you, right? And you just slide through this probation. But at some point in time, this is what I've discovered in my time on the planet. At some point in time, everything catches up to you, right?
Right.
So if you don't start treating probation seriously, you're looking at going to prison, and you're looking to going up to prison for up to 20 years. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you live in Wilson County?
No.
And have you had any employment since you've been on probation?
Yes.
Doing what?
I was doing piping and fabricating for a company called CJI.
All right, I'll deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include the following. And I'm sorry, as previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court is gonna,
Judge, I have a copy of the court summary if you wanted to
Oh,
do
thank
their
you.
recommendation.
thank you. All right, the court is going to place you on partial GPS for employment only until further notice. Waive GPS fees. Ms. Abrams, the intensive outpatient treatment, I mean, was that previously recommended by the TAP evaluation? Because what he's played true is drinking alcohol. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
John Anthony Ochoa.
All right, so you've already pled true to violation of condition number 2. Court is already going to deny the motion. My question now, because I'm trying to, Yeah.
So Judge, the last TAP recommendation was for him to go to local ISF. And he did local ISF, he completed it successfully 124 days. So being that he had done that, although we did not move, or the state did not move forward on the other number 2, he was positive also for methamphetamines on that day.
okay.
He admitted, he didn't, well,
Well, I know he didn't. I'm just trying to figure out whether or not.
something happened in December that just relapsed.
Right.
He went through the program. He's
Well, I can tell you,
completed.
counsel, what I'm just trying to figure out is whether intensive outpatient treatment is appropriate or if it should be something less. That's why I'm asking him about drug use and alcohol use. So how often were you using alcohol since you've been on probation?
Not often.
What does that mean?
It's really just that one slip up.
And with the methamphetamine?
With the methamphetamine, not gonna lie, I did realize, but I ended up stopping.
All right. Do you not have a sponsor?
Sponsor?
Mhm. You probably need to get a sponsor because you need somebody to call when you're thinking about using. So you can talk to them and say, hey, I'm at a bar. Because your sponsor will probably say, leave the bar, or either the sponsor will say, I'm on my way over. You need somebody to hold you accountable outside of just probation. You understand?
Yeah, I understand. But that's kind of like the reason why I did stop, because I did meet somebody and she's been keeping me on. She was keeping me on track.
Okay. All right. The court will deny the motion to alter the main conditions, partial GPS for employment only until further notice. So what that means is while you're on GPS, you can only go to work. That's it. If you're driving from work and you see a fast food place and you're like, hey, let me stop there and grab something, you're not allowed to do that. You're only allowed to leave your house, go to work, leave work, go back home. You understand?
Yes.
All right. And there'll be intensive outpatient treatment through probation. Probation, anything else? And I'm going to add 50 hours of community service restitution. And for every sober support meeting you complete, an hour will be deducted from your community service. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
I was gonna ask, because I just found out I'm expecting a baby soon, so like I get leeway that for doctor's appointments, they were show up to the doctor's appointments or.
All right. So we'll cross that bridge when we get there because I have no idea what's going to happen with Wilson County. What I can tell you is if the Wilson County issues are resolved, if I'm still here, you come back here and you let me know, or either you let probation know and we'll address that. I'm sure if you're doing well, that I will allow you to do that.
All right. Thank
If
you.
you're not doing well, it's probably not going to happen.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So it'll be completely up to you whether you're allowed to or not, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. And here's the thing, you're gonna have a baby. Be someone that baby will be proud to say, that's my dad, and make sure that you are in that child's life and listen to the child, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you
welcome.
very much, Judge. May I
You're
be
welcome.
excused?
Yes.
What started as a routine probation violation hearing quickly turned into a serious wake-up call inside Judge Boyd's courtroom. John Anthony Ooa stood before the court after being accused of violating the terms of his deferred adjudication probation for a drug possession case involving a controlled substance. The violation? Consuming alcohol while under strict supervision. When asked how he pleaded, Ooa admitted the violation and pleaded true, fully aware that the court had the authority to sentence him to up to 20 years in prison. Instead of immediately revoking his probation, Judge Boyd wanted answers. She questioned why he continued making choices that could send him to prison. Ooa described the incident as a mistake, but the judge pushed back, reminding him that drinking alcohol was not an accident. It was a decision. She warned him that repeated bad choices eventually catch up with everyone. As the hearing continued, probation officials revealed additional concerns, including a previous positive test for methamphetamine. Although Ooa claimed he had stopped using drugs and was trying to get his life back on track, Judge Boyd remained focused on accountability and recovery. Rather than sending him to prison, the court decided to give him another opportunity. Judge Boyd denied the motion to revoke his probation but imposed strict new conditions. Ooa was placed on GPS monitoring with permission to leave home only for work. He was also ordered to complete intensive outpatient treatment and perform 50 hours of community service, with participation in sober support meetings reducing those hours. The most emotional moment came when Ooa revealed that he was expecting a baby. Judge Boyd used that moment to deliver a powerful message, urging him to become the kind of father his child could be proud of and to stay actively involved in the child's life. In the end, prison was avoided, but the warning could not have been clearer. This second chance may be his last.